Hello children, today we will read the middle part of the story. Are you excited to know what happened with Ming? So let's start reading. Now children, let's read the middle part of the story on page number 22. Ming looks at the village down below. People in the village are celebrating a festival. They are having a lovely time. How beautiful it all looks. I will go play with the children. Ming walks to the village. I'm going to have so much fun playing with the children. But as Ming enters the village, everyone is scared. Run, dragon! Oh dear, what is the matter? They cannot be afraid of me. Ming is very sad. He sits by a fountain with its clear pool of water. Sitting at some distance is a little boy. Why has everybody run away? I am such a tiny dragon. Everybody got scared of you. So children, Ming was having an enjoyable time at his new home. And he could hear the sounds of music and bells coming from the nearby village. As all of you know, that Ming was a very friendly dragon, but he was alone. When he looks at the children playing and people celebrating a festival in the village, he decided to go to the village and play with the children. Keeping this thought in mind, Ming walks to the village very excitedly and happily. But oh my God, what happened when he entered the village? Everybody started screaming and running here and there because they saw the dragon for the first time and they always scared that the dragon will harm them. But Ming was not a scary dragon. He tried to tell the people that he is a friendly dragon and they should not be afraid of him. Ming became very sad and he sat by a fountain. Have you seen a fountain? It is generally found in the parks or in the middle of the lake. And in the fountain, the water rises upwards. It looks very beautiful. Sometimes there are musical and colorful fountains also. Now let's continue with the story. So when Ming was sitting by a fountain, a boy comes near him. And both of them started talking. And Ming asked the boy why everybody is scared of me and running away from me. I am such a small dragon. I am such a tiny dragon. Tiny means small. And the boy told Ming that everybody is running because they are scared of you. Now, children, do you want to know what will happen in the end of the story? Will the people be friendly with Ming or will Ming have to leave the village forever? Now to know this, we will have to read the end part of the story and we will read it in our next video. Till then, you will do the exercises on page number 32 and 33. On page number 32, follow the lines to complete your very own dragon. Then fill with colors and make him beautiful. So you have to make your dragon very beautiful and you will send the pictures to us. And on page number 33, in the space given below, write what you have learnt about dragons. So children, by now you know a lot about dragons. What they look like, how big they are, what they eat and drink, where they live. So you will write a paragraph about dragons and you will answer all the questions and you will send it to us. Thank you. Now children, let's do a quick recap of what happened in the beginning and middle part of the story. Are you ready? I am going to ask questions to you. Now tell me, what is the title of the story? Yes, the title of the story is The Friendly Dragon. Now can you tell me Who is the main character in the story? Very good. The main character in the story is Ming. What is the setting of the story? Now you must be wondering, what is the meaning of setting? So setting means where the story takes place. So the setting of the story is a forest. Forest means jungle. Yes. Now let's move on to our next question. Why was Ming sad? Tell me children, why was Ming sad? Ming was sad because his friends used to tease him and he was small and weak. He was not strong like his friends. Now, why did Ming decide to leave his home? Ming decided to leave his home because he wanted to live alone happily. Yes, children, you know it. Ming left his home because he wanted to live his life happily alone. Now, next question is, was Ming happy in his new home? Can you Can you see Ming happy? Yes, Ming was very happy in his new home. He enjoyed eating the wild fruits, playing in the green grass, and drinking cool water. What kind of sounds did Ming hear? Yes, children, what kind of sounds? You are right. Ming could hear the sound of music and bells. And where did these sounds come from? These sounds came from the nearby village. Why could he hear the sounds? Because his home was near the village. Now, children, in the beginning of the story, the setting was a forest. Now the setting has been changed to, tell me where is the setting of the story? Yes, it is a village. Now Ming went to the village to play with the children now? Yes. Was Ming happy and excited to go to the village? Yes, children, Ming was very happy because he was a friendly dragon and he wanted to meet the children and play with them. What happened when he entered the village? Oh, everybody started running and shouting with fright to save their lives on seeing the dragon. Yes, did you see in the picture that everybody was running and they were saving their lives? Yes. And tell me, dear children, who was not afraid of the dragon? You guessed it right. The little boy was not afraid of the dragon.